when I decided that I should go for some kind of courses for the data analyst, there was my friend who had done the full stack development course from the Newton School, and he was also got placed, and that's how I got enrolled into Newton School. Newton School remained very helpful throughout your journey. The instructor, those who were teaching, they remain very helpful in clearing the doubts. And then after, there remains mentors. If you are solving any kind of problem, then you can book a mentor session. There your doubts will be cleared. The instructor explained in such a way that it got clear in a one shot. Still, whenever I'm using that concept of SQL anywhere in the job, I always remember the way he explained. So whenever any kind of problem is coming while fetching the data, I always remember that concept, and it remains very helpful for me. Part of the data analyst was completed, then you became eligible for the placement of the data analyst. So their groomers get connected with you. So I was connected with Harsh Kumar, and he was a very helpful person. He guided me everything that on what thing I should focus. And when the referrals started coming, and before any kind of interview, I always got a call from the groomer, and he used to explain me that on what questions I should prepare. When the interview for the Magicpin happened, and clearing the interview with the help of a groomer was like a cakewalk for me. I cleared the interview in a one shot. So these are all the things that I realized about the Newton School. They have set the criteria to be eligible for the placement. Any person would be thinking that when I have paid the money, then they should be giving the placement. So it's not like that. If you are going for the placement, then for becoming the data analyst, the technical skills should be good. So the practice sessions, the test they are conducting, so that actually sharpens your skill. Because when you would be going for the job, then definitely everyone would be expecting that you should know how to run the queries in the SQL, how to frame the data in the Python language. So one should be very aware about this thing. I am Pranjul. Currently, I am working as a senior associate analyst at Magicpin.